Hey,
Megan.
how are you?
Hi,
It's good to see you.
yeah, we should have done lunch. I knew we should have done lunch.
Oh no, this is fine.
Coffee, I thought, well, we can go get lunch, I mean.
No, this is perfect. How have you been?
Great.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, so how are you liking the city?
City,
Yeah.
I'm really loving it here. I'm so glad we have the chance to just reconnect. You look great.
Oh, thank you.
Healthy,
Thank you. Oh, thanks.
It's been a while, I guess.
Yeah. So what are you doing here?
I am working on things. I'm in between jobs right now.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Some
Totally
things coming up soon.
understandable.
But I think that where we left off, being in between jobs was a good thing.
Okay.
So it's not a hindrance for us
Okay.
anymore.
Okay.
Hey, point out.
So two of these, before you look healthy is what I'm saying.
Thank
You look great.
Thank
You look.
Yeah, I mean,
you've,
thank you.
You've
I might just be, a little tired lately, but,
tired.
Yeah.
Are you overworking yourself?
Yeah, I work at this large PR firm, and it's a large firm, so many clients. Business is going well. Really busy,
You
so
always
I'm
were
always
so
tired.
successful.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. So we're actually we just got an account with Nike, so it's fantastic. I'm really super excited for this.
And
Yeah.
your mom, your parents,
Doing great. How's yours? I haven't seen them in, it's been forever, but.
they always loved you.
Yeah.
I told my mom I was meeting with you today, actually. She,
Oh, really?
she's
Really?
screaming on the phone.
Right.
Telling me how excited she was. We were
Oh, that's
meeting back up
nice.
again.
Talk about how you love his mom. Like,
So-
she's so great.
I just remember she was the sweetest when we would just, a group of us would come to the house and just, I was just reflecting on that, how it was like all these swim parties and all that. And she was so sweet. She would, I love them. And how's your siblings?
Good. Great. Yeah.
Good?
My sister just got engaged, so
Congrats!
I'm next.
Aw.
Next in line.
Oh, really?
They're waiting.
Are you
Everyone's waiting.
dating anyone?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Not currently.
Okay, but you want to get married.
Of course.
Okay, all right. Well, are you getting anything?
I don't want you to feel awkward being the only one eating. I mean, it's one
No.
of these for me. I mean,
Oh, no, this is all for me. Oh, yeah. I love these pastries. Oh,
Right.
Starbucks is like my addiction.
wow. I
Yeah.
didn't ever know that about you.
Yeah, well, I've just been, tired lately, working a lot, and I have no energy, but it's great, and, things are making me a little nauseated lately, but, once I can eat, I eat.
So are you stressed?
There's
Is
no
it
holding
a
back.
stress thing?
No. However, I am a little out of breath, but
Well,
no.
you know what it sounds
It's
like to me?
great.
It sounds like
Yeah.
you just need.
Water?
No.
No? Okay. Do you mind if I drink?
No, go ahead. I mean,
Okay.
you drink on.
Okay.
ahead.
Thank you.
Maybe we could go for a glass of wine or something after this.
Oh, no, I'm not feeling the wine, yeah.
What?
It's not working.
Are you kidding? I mean, what is this? Is this like
No,
a new you?
I
No
mean,
wine, two
yeah,
pastries?
I'm like starving. I have to go to the bathroom every 5 minutes. It seems like I'm like gaining weight. It's crazy. It's so crazy. I'm loving it though. It's I can eat whatever I want right now. I'm not even worrying about a diet. Yeah, and I'm just so tired and I can't even fit in my pants.
Wow. Well,
Yeah.
I'm really
And it's hot in here, isn't it?
happy
Yeah.
you're getting.
It's kind of hot in here.
Um,
But don't worry, I'll be cold soon.
Oh,
It's great. Yeah,
okay.
I'm so excited. I'm glowing. I love it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I've always said that you had a glow about you.
Oh, thank you. It's definitely exciting, and I'm just peeing, and I think I think my breasts are getting large. I'm pretty sure they're growing. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a cupcake. It's amazing.
That is
Yeah.
a wonderful improvement.
Awesome. Yeah.
Is it a diet thing? Are you stressed? Are you like stress eating?
No.
I'm just really confused. It's
No, you-
it's a new you.
You know I'm pregnant, right? You have to know. Been on Facebook. I posted so many pictures. Oh, it's so exciting.
No.
Yeah,
this
it's
is-
exciting.
Yeah, this is good. This is really great. I mean, it's not what I pictured. It's not what I saw coming into today, but I'm not going to let you become another statistic. The worst thing you could do. You're not going to be a single mother. And I'm so glad. That child needs to come into a world with a family. I'm so glad that we're here. And I want to help you develop that family. Megan, I think we should just push this.
Thank you.
and
People accept me.
we can just pick it up like nothing's wrong. You know, I always thought I would have my own kids, but
You will.
adoption
You
is always a possibility. That child needs to come into a world with a family, and I want to help you develop that family. Megan, I think we should just push this to the side.
Here he is. Hi, honey.
Hey, I'm sorry it took so long.
How are you?
Here you go, I got you a little drink.
Yeah.
Hey, Alec.
It's my husband,
Um,
Alex.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh God, what was your name? She told me so much about you. It was
Zach.
Zach. There you go. I'm so sorry, it
Yeah.
slipped my mind.
So,
You two make out, you know?
Yeah, thank you for coming.
So y'all are having a baby,
Yes.
Yeah, doing more.
and y'all are married.
Yeah.
Yes, for 2 years.
So the baby's yours.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
But enough about the baby. How are you doing?
Me.
Yeah, you?
I'm doing well.
Good. Are you dating anyone?
You know, I've seen a few women.
Good, good. I know you are such a catch. You are gonna get someone.
Oh yeah, that's great. Just get out there, man.
Just get out there.
Yeah.
I am out there.
Oh, that's good.
Good.
Hey, do you play golf?
Golf.
Yes, I do.
Oh, great. Me and a couple of my buddies, we actually have like a adult golf team. It's kind of an amateur thing. You should come out with us sometime. It'd be real fun, right?
You know, I'd have to check my schedule. I'm really busy with work, being between jobs and
Oh,
whatnot.
yeah, I know how that is.
Our birthing class. Oh my goodness, are we late?
Yeah, no, we have to
Oh
go.
my goodness, I am so sorry. We have to go. We're gonna be late. It was so good seeing you.
You know what? It was
I'm gonna
great
give
to
you-
see
You
you.
can have these. We're not going to take them, and we're going to go out for lunch after, right?
Yeah. Here, come here.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
thank you.
it's so good
Yeah, it's
seeing
so
you.
good to see you as well.
This.
Come here.
So-
Come here. Hey, I'm going to Facebook you, and we'll get together with some of my buddies, and we'll go hang out sometime, all right?
Right.
All right, awesome.
Bye.
He's great.
Yeah.
Good. Now take another bite, and then I want you to pan down and follow him. Ready? Go ahead and take another bite.
world with a family. Which is why, Megan, I think that we...
Oh my goodness! Hi, honey!
Hey, sorry it took too long.
No, it's great. Thank you. This is my husband, Alex.
Hi, Alex.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and say this is my husband Alex from sitting down so we have a shot of his reaction. Go ahead and sit down. Okay. Scooch in a tiny bit more. There you go, perfect. You still have a good shot, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay. And then other Alex, stay close to her. Okay. Go for it. This is my husband Alex.
This is my husband, Alex.
Hi, Alex.
Husband?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh God, she told me all about you. Your name, it was Brad? Zach. I'm so sorry. It slipped my mind. YouTube been catching up?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's been great. It's been great.
Oh, nice.
And you two are married.
Yeah.
Yes, for 2 years.
So the baby's yours.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
But enough about the baby. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I have
Really?
never been happier in my life.
Good. Good.
Oh, that's great, man.
Aw.
Hey, do you play golf?
Golf. Yes, I do.
Oh, great. Me and a couple of my buddies, we actually have like a adult golf team. It's kind of an amateur thing. You should come out with us sometime. It'd be real
That's
fun,
great.
right?
Yeah, you know, I'd have to check my schedule. I'm really busy with work, being between jobs and
Oh,
whatnot.
yeah, I know how that is.
Oh, by the way, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Don't we have a birthing class soon?
Actually, yeah, we do. We have to go.
I am so sorry to cut this short. We have to go and traffic, everything. You gotta be there
Okay,
on time.
pause real quick, and then can you just sort of like consolidate that thing, and just do that whole thing with like, oh my gosh, our birthing class, we're late. You know,
Okay.
it's just like to cram it in quick.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Go for it.
Our birthing class. Oh my goodness, are we late?
Yeah, no, we have to
Oh
go.
my goodness, I am so sorry. We have to go. We're gonna be late. It was so good seeing you.
Yeah, it was great seeing
Yeah, here, give me a hug. Oh my gosh. Here you go.
Oh,
Aw.
thanks. So good.
Come here,
Take
come here.
care.
Bring it in. It was nice meeting you.
Hey, step out.
There
you go. Go
it
for it.
was
Come here. Hey,
nice.
I will message you on Facebook, and you can have those. You can have those, totally. It was great meeting you, man.
Yeah,
Bye.
you
He was
too.
great.
Yeah, it's so great.
Such a nice guy.
Follow the action. Good. Take another bite, and then I want you to pan down and follow him. Yep. Ready? Go ahead and take another bite. Okay, cut. Great.
Cut.